Welcome to Health Universals. We're exploring the world of weight loss exercises today. You've come to the perfect place if you're trying to lose weight and get in the greatest shape of your life. We have an incredible collection of workouts that will help you tone your body and burn calories. Cardio Crush. Let's dive more into the exciting realm of cardio. We offer an abundance of choices to raise your heart rate. To start, there's the traditional running or jogging. Whether you like the comfort of a treadmill or the wide outdoors, this workout is a calorie-burning monster. Cardio isn't just about jogging, though cycling is an excellent way to burn calories and is also quite gentle on the joints. Swimming is another option. It's a full-body exercise that's easy on the joints and great for hot summer days. Not to mention dancing, which is a hip and exciting method to burn calories. Finding a cardio workout that you enjoy is crucial in this situation. Strength training. You can create a work of art out of your body with strength training. You can build lean muscle whether you use resistance bands at home, lift weights in the gym, or perform basic bodyweight exercises. To put it simply, lifting weights increases muscle mass, which in turn causes an increase in your resting metabolic rate. This implies that even when you binge watch your favorite TV show, you will still be burning calories. High-intensity interval training. Let's now discuss high-intensity interval training. This is for you if you're big on outcomes but short on time. Intervals of high-intensity training, such as burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks, are interspersed with short rest intervals in high-intensity training. It's exciting and productive, much like a fitness roller coaster. Your heart rate will remain higher during this high-intensity training, burning calories and enhancing your general fitness. The best thing, though? A high-intensity interval training workout takes minutes, not hours. A fantastic workout can be completed in just 15 to 20 minutes. Core workouts. Let's now focus on core exercises. Like a ship's anchor, a strong core maintains everything balanced and solid. We are referring to workouts such as planks, bicycle crunches, Russian twists, and leg raises. These exercises focus on your lower back, obliques, and abs. In addition to improving posture and lowering your chance of back problems, a strong core is a hidden weapon in the fight for a flat stomach. Therefore, don't neglect your core, whether you're a bodybuilder or a yogi, as it's the key to a toned and attractive midsection. Stretch. Now that you've worked hard, it's time to give your body the respect it deserves with some stretching after your workout. Although stretching is frequently overlooked in workout routines, it is essential for preventing injuries and improving general flexibility. Let's go over some essential stretches. Your spine will benefit greatly from the cat-cow stretch, which releases stress and increases range of motion. A popular yoga pose that tones your entire body, from your calves to your shoulders, is downward dog. Additionally, the traditional hamstring stretch maintains the long, slender leg muscles. Remember that stretching is a kind of reward for all of your hard work. Your body will be appreciative. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and give it a thumbs up if it inspired you to reach your fitness objectives.